So, good day everyone. First of all, we are the Group 8, which are Cadet Regasi, Cadet Redula, Cadet Resma, and Cadet Reyes. So, our topic is all about safe watermarks, special marks, and chart symbols and abbreviations. So, the course outcome, through knowledge and understanding of the content, the application and intent of the Ayala Maritime Voyage System. Learning outcome, to be able to recognize and familiarize the different shapes of marks or buoys, common symbols that are in the chart, and the abbreviations. Importance of the topic, the students will have a knowledge of the purpose and usage of the safe watermarks, special marks, and chart symbols and abbreviations that will help in safety of navigation. So safe watermarks, it is used to make a safe water and is usually used to make a channel entrance, the center of a shipping channel or a landfall. This buoy indicates that there is safe water to pass on either side, but it should be kept to the port or left side of your vessel when proceeding upstream or downstream. So this safe watermarks indicates that there is a safe area around the safe watermarks or buoy. So the safe watermarks characteristics, the color will be red and white, and the shape will be either spherical, pillar, or spar. So the top mark will be red spear, retroflector, red and white. So the light, when fitted, it will be white color, isopace or occulting or long flashing every 10 seconds or Morse code A. So safe watermarks buoy. Red and white stripes are used for safe watermarks and distinguish them from the black banded danger marks. A white light, occulting or isopace or showing a single long flash or Morse code A is used for safe watermarks when lighted. If a long flash, which is flash not less than 2 seconds, is used, the period of the light is 10 seconds. So retroflectors, one or more white bands, letter, numbers, or symbols of reflective material are used in the standard color code to distinguish unlighted safe watermarks. Red and white stripes are bands are used in the comprehensive code. So that this will be the day and the night with having a white light. Safe watermarks buoy. So this will be the Admiralty chart symbols for safe watermarks buoy. A pillar or a spear. The RW underneath its symbol represents the red and white.
So, good day sir. I am Kyle Stephen B. Rosman. I will be talking about special marks. So, special marks might be used to indicate to the mariner a special area or feature, sailing directions, or notices to mariners. Special marks may be lettered to indicate their purpose. Uses include the marketing of Ocean Data Acquisition System or ODAS buoys, traffic separation schemes or TSS, where use of the conventional channel marking might cause confusion, though many schemes are marked by lateral and safe watermarks. Spoil grounds, military exercise zones, cables and pipelines including outfall pipes, and recreational zones. Another function of special marks is to define a channel within a channel. For example, a channel for deep draught vessel in a wide estuary where the limits of the channel for normal navigations are marked by red and green lateral buoys. May have the boundaries of the deep channel indicated by yellow buoys of the appropriate lateral shapes or its center line marked by yellow spherical buoys. So next slide is here. In the next slide we will see the examples of safe watermarks and characteristics. For example, the color of it is yellow and the shape is optional. Top mark is marked as yellow, which is X. Then the retroflector is colored yellow as well. Light when fitted, which is color yellow and may have any rhythm not used for white lights. So it is shown here for example. If these shapes are used, they will indicate the side on which the buoys should be passed. So next slide. Here we can see the day and night special marks. So the shape of spherical buoys is optional, but they must not conflict with those used for a lateral or safe watermarks. For example, an outfall buoy on the port hand side of a channel could be can-shaped but not conical lights. Yellow is the color used for spherical marks. Reflectors, one yellow band and C or a symbol used as retroflector to distinguish unlighted special marks. A yellow light is used when one is exhibited. The rhythm may be any other than those used for cardinal, isolated danger, and safe watermarks. The following are permitted: group oculating flashing, group flashing with a group of 4 or 5, exceptional 6 flashes, composite group flashing, Morse code letters other than code A, D, or U. In case of Oda's buoys, the rhythm is group flashing with a group of 5 flashes every 5 seconds. So that is it. Next slide. Here in the next slide, it is shown the special marks which Admiralty chart symbol for special marks. So we can see here it as spherical yellow special mark with an X sign floating and the symbol is shown here. So that is it.
Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Reyes and I am going to tackle about charts, symbols, and abbreviations. So, Ayala Maritime Voyage System and Ayala International Association of Lighthouse Authorities. When enforced, the Ayala system applies to all fixed and floating marks except lighthouse, sector lights, leading lights, and leading marks, light vessels, and land buoys. The standard buoy shapes are cylindrical, conical, spherical, pillar, and spar, but variation may occur. For example, light floats in the illustration below. The only standard buoy shapes are used. In the case or fixed beacon, only the shape of the top marks is of navigational significance. So lateral marks are generally for well-defined channels. There are 2 international buoy region A and B where the lateral marks differ. So you can see in the chart that region A and region B. So ang kaning duha is opposite ni sila sa each other. For example, the bacons, the boys. You can see that there is an illustration below under the boys. There's a letter R, letter G. It means that R for red and G for green. So that's for the region A, and for the region B, the colors are opposite. So if the boy of the region A is color green, so for the region B, it must be color red. So opposite silang duha. For napo ni siya gitawag nga RGR, so red, green, red nga mga boya. That one is the stripe one ng mga boy. So mo ni sila nag-symbol sa ato ang chart. Makita ni sila sa atong chart. So a preferred channel boy may also be pillar or spar. All preferred channels marked have 3 horizontal bands of colors, where the exceptional reason of authority considered that a green color for boys is not satisfactory, black may be used. So sa ato ang region A o region B, makasabotable raman kaayo siya nga unsa na siya nga mga color ug mga buya kay naka-indicate naman siya daan. So the next slide is for the lights. So lights, major lights, minor lights, lighthouse. Makita ninyo sa ato ang chart, naka-indicate ba ni diri o sa money lighten offshore platforms, lighten beacons tower, lighten beacons on smaller scales chart where navigation within range of the dim mark is unlikely. Lighten beacons are charted. So major floating lights, mga navigational lights and landmarks of other structures. So nato yung mga examples sa light descriptions. So nasa tayo light characteristic. So makita nimo diri ang pag-flashing sa light na diri sa tong chart nga ang prolong sa lights, ang sequence sa lights sa different meaning ana, di ba? Naman tay kanang light nga signaling. So makita nimo diri ang sequence o unsay meaning every flashing ana, prolong og ang flash, ang rapid ma-determine nimo o imong tun-an pud ang ato ang chart. So sabotable ra jud kay ni siya diri sa ato ang chart makita. That's all for my task. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I'm Mikey Ragasi and I'm gonna discuss the last 2 slides before the references under the chart symbols and abbreviations. So cardinal marks. Cardinal marks have the same meaning in region A and B. Also, it indicates the navigable water in north, south, east, and west marks. And each side of the cardinal mark have different light and top marks, characteristics indicating navigable water. And cardinal marks also exhibit white lights which are lighted. And their characteristics are based on a group of quick flashes in which distinguish them as cardinal marks and indicate their quadrant. So the distinguished quick or very quick rhythms are uninterrupted in the north mark, 6 flashes in a group followed by a long flash in the south mark, 3 flashes in a group in the east mark, and 9 flashes in a group in the west mark. And each quadrant have the black double cone top marks. It is very important feature of cardinal marks, as large as possible and clearly separated. And the arrangement of the cones in the north mark are points up with black band above yellow band or BY. In the south mark, points down with black band below yellow band or YB. In the east mark, points outward with black bands above and below yellow band or BYB. In the west mark points inward with black band with yellow bands above and below or YBY. So next slide. So these are the charts and symbols abbreviations under isolated danger marks stationed over dangers with navigable water around them. Each body is black with red horizontal bands and top mark is 2 black spheres with flashing of 2 and group flashing 2 with white light. Under safe watermarks such as mid-channel and landfall marks, each body is red and white vertical stripes, and the top mark, if any, is red sphere with white light when fitted, isophase or occulting or long flashing every 10 seconds or Morse code A. And last but not the least, under special marks not primarily to assist navigation but to indicate special features. Each body is optional, yellow, and top mark, if any, is yellow X, with a group of 4, 5, or exceptional 6 flashes, yellow lights. That's all. Thank you, sir.